Welcome to the introduction of Microsoft 365 Publisher, Part 8 of 8 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Project, Bookmarks, Page Design, Layout Group, Guides, How to delete lines on a guide, Use selection handles to move objects, View tab, Boundaries and Guides, Fields and Ruler, Page Navigation, Scratch Area, Graphics Manager, Baselines, Zoom Group, Zoom 100%, Whole Page, Select Amount of Zoom, Page Width, Selected Objects. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see Microsoft 365 Publisher Video 1. There are several ways to locate templates for bookmarkers. You can select the pre-designed photo bookmarkers provided by Publisher and make any changes you wish to make. If you don't see it when you scroll down, click More Templates. You could use the search box provided by Publisher. Another method is to go online and search for blank bookmark templates. There are numerous ones to choose from. Just beware of copyrighted materials. Or select blank 11 by 8.5. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Guides feature by adjusting the guidelines. Go to the View tab in the Zoom group, click 100%. The page now fills the workspace area without the need to scroll horizontally or vertically. Go to Page Design, Layout Group, click Guides. Select the second one from the left. There are now 3 columns which we can use as bookmarkers, but we need to delete the horizontal lines. Place the cursor on one of the horizontal lines. Cursor will change to this. Right-click on the line, Paste Options opens. Click Delete Guide. Repeat steps to delete the second line. You now have 3 columns for practicing bookmarkers. Create a layout. This tutorial layout will include fun facts about fish and pictures. Insert the pictures first. Remember, they can always be moved. Notice the picture pasted in the center. To move, simply use the selection handles to drag and drop. View tab. Click Boundaries, and dotted lines will appear and surround any objects, including text. The boundaries clearly show the bottom alignment of the fish pictures are not straight. Boundaries do not show when the publication is printed. Click on the picture. Use the selection handles to adjust the picture. Boundaries for an empty text box. Guides must be checked to help with the alignment on the page, or the page will remain blank. Guides have been checked. The vertical lines we are using for the alignment are visible. A field is an area where information is stored. Checking fields will show you which items are in fields. The ruler is both horizontal and vertical to help with the alignment of objects. Page Navigation pane opens when you check Page Navigation. It will display any image of each page in the document. The scratch area is the gray area surrounding the workspace area. You can move objects onto the scratch area to use later. Clicking Graphics Manager and the Graphics Manager pane opens, displaying the names and sizes of the pictures in the publication. Clicking Baselines displays horizontal lines across the page, which are used to align text across multiple columns. Because Baselines was checked, the text across the 3 columns is perfectly aligned. Let's finish adding the text. You can leave the baselines on to help you with the alignment, or click Baselines again to turn it off. Text added using baselines. Finished bookmarkers. Zoom the document to 100%. You can see the whole page in the window. Select the amount of zoom you want. Unless you click page width, selected objects will remain grayed out. Click page width and the width of the workspace expands, and you must scroll down to get to the end of the document. Click on Whole Page option to return the page to normal. Click Selected Objects and the object you selected will fill the window. Click Whole Page to return page to normal size. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Publisher View tab, Part 8 of 8 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 8. We hope you enjoyed the tutorials and will be joining us for more tutorials on Microsoft 365 and other subjects. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylinklibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.